With apologies to a hero of mine, comparative mythology and literature professor Joseph Campbell, we will apply his hero's journey circular model to the Krebs cycle. Our hero starts with a call to adventure, and the body calls for energy. Glucose uses glycolysis to become pyruvate. Pyruvate tosses off CO2 and NADH to become acetyl-CoA, who crosses the threshold into an extraordinary world of the Krebs cycle. Acetyl-CoA meets oxaloacetate to become citrate with the helper of citrate synthase. Another helper comes along, acidotase, and our hero becomes isocitrate. Another helper, isocitrate dehydrogenase, appears to make our hero into alpha ketoglutamate, while changing NAD and NADH and exhaling CO2 in relief. Another helper, alpha ketoglutarase dehydrogenase, has our hero learn to become succinyl CoA, and again changing NAD and NaCH while exhaling CO2. The ordeal continues as helper succinyl CoA synthase helps our hero to become succinate. In the meantime, leaving GDP behind. Our enlightened hero next becomes fumarate, with the help of succinate dehydrogenase, leaving behind QH2 and consequent FADH2. As fumarate, our hero becomes maltate, with the help of fumarase. Another helper, maltate dehydrogenase, helps our hero become oxaloacetate with NAD and NADH. Our hero has come full circle, returning home having achieved his goal. In the Krebs cycle, he goes around again to achieve twice his goal of 6 NADH, 2 FADH2, 2 GDP, 4 CO2, and most importantly, through the electron transport chain, he has achieved ATP, energy for the body and for our hero. Bye.